What do you want? Something up here, I think, Dave.
I think so.
Something up here, maybe. What do you want? Oh. You're making way too much noise. Yes, you are. Too much noise. No. No.
Sassy ass. Was that a screw you, Mom, for videotaping your sassy little attitude? I guess so.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yep.
Hey.
What is he do? What's down there?
Nothing. He thinks there's something. It's my sweatshirt.
It's Daddy's sweatshirt.
Stupid.
Daddy's inside out sweatshirt.
No, it's Virgin.
Now we're back to the tables.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that.
Stridey.
Don't you give me that.
Hi. Mommy had to get it. What do you want, Hawk? What do you want? Really? What do you want? What do you want? Hawk, what do you want? What's he do? Oh, you're touching him.
So tortured.
Do you want to go get Zerdy? Alright.